having your own list of surveyors to go to is really important, but also quite challenging. A lot of clients that we work with and we speak with, whether they're architects, project managers, or clients directly, sometimes they do have surveyors that they've worked with that they have great experience with, and they'll always keep going out to them for tenders. Sometimes they'll have stories of ones that they never want to work with again. And what we see is, as well, is it depends. It depends on where they work. So, for example, if you're working across the whole of the UK or the whole of England, it's actually quite difficult because some surveyors will only operate in some areas where others might be more national. So having enough surveyors is quite tricky when you think about it, because most clients are asking, especially nowadays, are asking for at least 3 prices for every survey. So for every single survey, let's say there's 10 surveys or 15 surveys you need to get done on your project, you're going to need at least 3 prices. That means that if some of them are busy, you should probably be going out for 4 or 5 per survey. That's a lot of surveyors that you've got to go out to and you've got to have on your books. And something that we actually hear quite often is when we expect some of these clients to have really good relationships with lots of surveyors, but sometimes they just Google it. And they might have 2 or 1 for a specific survey, and they'll just Google the others, call them up and ask for quotes. So it's not something that everyone has this network of surveyors that they go to, but they'll have a view on potentially some favorites or not. But yeah, it's a really difficult thing to do, to have that network, especially if they're working across a very large geography.